Slippery road.
Slippery road.
Stop sign.
Stop sign.
Falling rocks.
Falling rocks.
One-way traffic.
One-way traffic.
Two-way traffic.
Two-way traffic.
Roundabout.
Roundabout.
Hump ahead.
Hump ahead.
Traffic lights.
Traffic lights.
Winding road.
Winding road.
Curve right.
Curve right.
Curve left.
Curve left.
No overtaking.
No overtaking.
U-turn.
U-turn.
No U-turn.
No U-turn.
Guarded railway crossing.
Guarded railway crossing.
Unguarded railway crossing.
Unguarded railway crossing.
School ahead or school zone.
School ahead or school zone.
Uneven road.
Uneven road.
Parking.
Parking.
No parking.
No parking.
Right turn.
Right turn.
Left turn.
Left turn.
Keep left.
Keep left.
Narrow road.
Narrow road.
Narrow road on the left.
Narrow road on the left.
Narrow bridge.
Narrow bridge.
Give way or yield.
Give way or yield.
Wild animal crossing.
Wild animal crossing.
No stopping.
No stopping.
No trucks.
No trucks.
T-junction.
T-junction.
Zebra crossing or pedestrian crossing.
Zebra crossing or pedestrian crossing.
Road work ahead.
Road work ahead.
Crossroad.
Crossroad.
No entry.
No entry.
Minimum speed limit.
Minimum speed limit.
Maximum speed limit.
Maximum speed limit.
Length limit.
Length limit.
Width limit.
Width limit.
No honking.
No honking.
Hospital.
Hospital.
Gasoline.
Gasoline.
Airport.
Airport.
Let's review the vocabularies from this topic.
Slippery road. Stop sign. Falling rocks. One-way traffic. Two-way traffic. Hump ahead. Roundabout. Traffic lights. Winding road. Curve right. Curve left. No overtaking. U-turn. No U-turn. Guarded railway crossing. Unguarded railway crossing. School ahead or school zone. Uneven road. No parking. Right turn. Left turn. Keep left. Narrow road. Narrow road on the left. Narrow bridge. Give way or yield. Wild animal crossing. No stopping. No trucks. T-junction. Zebra crossing or pedestrian crossing. Road work ahead. Crossroad. No entry. Minimum speed limit. Maximum speed limit. Length limit. Width limit. No honking. Hospital. Gasoline. Airport.